Oh, no fly zone, you say. All right, mfowethu, because wena uzenza usiyazi wena, but uyazi na ukuthi awazi lutho. Awazi nje ngikhathela ukulo ngithi niyazi nifihle iqiniso senginibonile ukuthi anazi lutho ni. Indaba ye no fly zone that decision was taken by a collective in your party, which is the ANC. It was not taken by Zuma only, but it was a collective that took that decision to say, because there was a context to it. So you guys, so that nizopusha le agenda yenu, you just minimize it to that no-fly zone, as if that was it. There was a context to it. The context it, people were dying in Libya. They were murdered. And to look at the situation at the time, they felt the best decision was to go with the no-fly zone so that it can stop. And then it stopped. Unfortunately, they came for Gaddafi. They already had a plan well anyways. So whether Zuma had rejected it or had signed it, once US yaba nayo lento ukuthi ifuna ukwenzani, it does that. But angikho ke lapho bengilungisa la ye no fly zone ukuthi it had a context to it. The context was that bayasayina and they negotiate. There were negotiations, ongoing negotiations. It was not just about no-fly zone and then that's it. Then sekuphelile kanjani, because these people were fighting. So I want to give people clarity, because when you just want to come with the no-fly zone and then people will believe that Gaddafi was killed by Zuma or Zuma played a role in killing. The USA was going to kill Gaddafi anyway. Zuma and his gang at the time, they agreed that a no-fly zone will make sure that people of Libya are no longer murdered. And then in the process of that, they will also negotiate between Igenge Mahmoud Gilbrel, or leader the other gang, together with Igenge Gaddafi. And ukukhuluma kukaZuma ulokhuzana ubaba uMatthew Phosa, I can tell you this, ukungenelela kababa uZuma lapha kwakuwukuthi ngcono bahlangane kuhulumeni, of which is something that was rejected by ulokhuzana uMahmoud negeng yakhe. So you cannot then come and say to us, because the reason why uMahmoud he flew to ilokhuzana South Africa after ifonelwe ubaba uMatthew Phosa ukuthi bazokhuluma ngale ndaba, and then wakwati ukuthi hawu kanti usungibizela ukuthi sizohlangana noGaddafi. So manje nina nifuna ukuyishintsha lento niyenze ngathi uZuma wavela wathi hayi no fly zone. There were negotiations, ongoing negotiations, ukuthi these people rather they come together to make sure ukuthi iyaphela yonke lento le kungaze kungenelele bani iUSA. But USA seeing ukuthi uZuma is negotiating, that they made sure ukuthi they do. And that was a deal even eyayikade iphethwe iAU. So manje you cannot come here and tell us indaba ye no fly zone as if wayekade island indaba ye no fly zone. Cha, there were negotiations. So again lento yenu nisitshela ngama billions, lawo ma billions yilo owathi mayisekwatile esuka la eSouth Africa wakhuluma indaba ukuthi there were billions and what that was staged. Do you honestly think ukuthi umuntu wayelwa kangaka elwela ilokhuzana iLibya ukuba semandleni? Because uyena phela waye prime minister yalenye gang. So njengoba wayelwa kangaka wayengathula kukhona ama gold nama billions asteshwe eSouth Africa uGaddafi, wayengathulelani? Yini engamthulisa kahle ukuthi umcebo wakubula eSouth Africa? Hayi man bafethu, anoke niyeke kulokhu qhubana nepropaganda ngeke insendawo. Leyo nto leyo is a failed agenda and it will never pass. So you can just try. And kumqondo ofile wakona lokho ukuthi you are an ANC member but you still single out Zuma. yet Zuma was the president of your party at the time, and your party was the one that was taking decisions. It's very stupid. Like, for me, it's very stupid. Like, angazi ukuthi ngisho ngithi stupid in the very highest level, because you cannot act as if he just took that decision unanimously. Right now in South Africa, he be busy in a case as Israel. Was it President Ramaphosa's decision? No, it was not President Ramaphosa's decision. Because why? That's how they take decisions. You can't just, as a president, delegate people to go and work on something that they are against. No.